What it do? This your boy AB. I'm just checking in here at church. And church is off the chain tonight, as you can see. You can just flip the camera and look at it right there. Everything's just amazing. But look, I'm making this video just letting you guys know that I'm delaying my mixtape. I'm delaying my mixtape because it's I told you guys I was gonna drop it this month, but you know, things happen. You know, everything happens for a reason. So I'm gonna delay it for this fall. I'm gonna give you guys posted on the date. And just remember, it's a mixtape. Reach the Rick, call on him. I'll explain what that means. I'll write a blog about it. But for now, I just want to tell you guys, you know, I'm not ashamed to say that I go to church. That's why I'm filming this video here at church. You know what I mean? God is God, and I believe that God is the greatest. You know what I mean? So,
amen.
You know, I give a shout out to Epic. Shout out to Epic. You know, he's filming this.
That's what up.
You know, I mean, everybody out there who's watching this, I'm just, you know, I'm going to post this on YouTube. I mean, Facebook, it don't matter, but I'm just letting you guys know that it's good. I'm not ashamed to stay at my church. So just keep it real, stay tuned.
That's what's up.